So hello guys, Ska here again and welcome back to Blockchain Today. And today we are going to talk about King Casino. King Casino is a blockchain based casino that have a licensed in Curacao. So let's get into the action and see what they offer. But before starting, I want you to please do subscribe our channel because we share very valuable information here about blockchains and cryptocurrency. So if you are a cryptocurrency guy and have knowledge about blockchain, so you can polish your skills here from this channel. So let's start the video. So gambling market was always a strong one and definitely one of the fastest growing industries on the planet, but its reputation was always questionable because centralized casino do not have a good image nowadays. Blockchain is slowly becoming a very important aspect in various industries and gambling industry is one of them as well. So the main idea of King Casino is to provide fun for their customers, to ensure that everything runs fair and transparent, and to provide the best experience by using cryptocurrencies that assure to provide fast transaction speed and safety. So King Casino has a great amount of experienced professionals with the years of experience. As for example, CEO of King Casino, Joe Maddox, has already 15 years of experience in gambling industry. Okay, the idea of King Casino was created in 2017 and the team did their best throughout the 3 years of development to deliver a good product. So King Casino is offering an amazing game collection including traditional games like blackjack or poker, but also supports up to 1000 most popular slot games. Moreover, the concept of blockchain will guarantee fairness of games providing by King Casino and which would be trackable. As blockchain is a public network, King Casino will be backed by an ERC20 security token called KCT. KCT token will have a lot of responsibilities in King Casino ecosystem. Firstly, KCT token will be used to provide VIP benefits of the platform. All token holders are going to be available to take part in companies' decisions according to the amount of token they would have. Moreover, King Casino is going to distribute a part of their profit to the token holders. In other words, you will get a passive income provided by King Casino just for holding their token. Every quarter, King Casino will sum up all the revenue that they have made and would split them among the token holders. Just remember that if you want to be eligible for those rewards, you would need to hold KCT token for at least 3 months period. To protect KCT token from inflammation, a token one will take place 4 times a year. 5% of the generated revenue are going to be burned. It's time to check out their products and let's see what King Casino offers. Okay, King Casino is already operating and we will show you now how to get an account and start playing games right here and right now. When you are on the main website, fill your account details in the right corner and click on register. A new window will pop up where you should fill your phone number and a secret question to secure your account. Okay, then agree with terms and condition and press register. Guys, just remember it is only allowed to play in casino if you are older than 18 years. Just remember that, and if you are not old enough, then keep your fingers away from it. Okay, so after you will create an account, you will need to verify your email address. If you do not get an email, please check your spam folder. Now click on quick deposit, then on CarePay cryptocurrency deposit. After that, you will need to redirect to a KYC form. If you would like to start playing games, you would need to verify your identity and confirm that you are older than 18 years and are from a country where gambling is allowed. So let's see what we can do here now. Simply go to casino. Okay, let me show you all the games. These are all the table games, European, American, and these are slot games. So much sushi, And these are classic slot games, jackpot 3, 6,000 and all. Okay, so let's go to some promotions and check what promotions are there. 100% in welcome bonus up to 10,000. Great. Use bonus code welcome king. 50% second bonus deposit bonus up to 5,000. Use bonus code welcome king. So these are some of the promotions you can see there. There is one is 100% bonus, second is 50% bonus. So I showed you the games, I showed you some promotions. So but if you don't like gambling at all, so you can try betting on sports event. There are also sports event you can see there. King Casino is also offering a great opportunity to bet on cyber or physical games. There are a lot of games you can see there. I just catch my own CS:GO, Counter Strike Go, so we can also bet on it, and I think it's really cool. Okay, let's see some physical games. Table FIFA. They are showing all the live matches here, and you can see we can also bet on that. Pretty impressive. Okay. If you are interested in earning not only from gambling or betting but from inviting people to join King Casino as well, so they have created a huge affiliation program to help people to achieve this. If you are a big influencer or a regular user willing to take part, you will just need to register and create your affiliate link and spread the word about King Casino. Okay, user will earn money from commission fees collected by King Casino, and user will get up to 45% of this amount for doing nothing, just on autopilot. Let's talk about their token sale and IEO. So King Casino is now actively collecting funds to launch their casino in full power and offer all the advantages to their token holders. The total supply of KCT token that are going to be sold is 695 million tokens. All tokens are divided into 6 parts. 4 million tokens are going to be spent on marketing, and 26 million tokens in total will go to the founders and team members, which are going to be locked for a certain amount of time to ensure that the team member will work in full power. Their soft cap is 10 million USD and hard cap is 50 million USD. To all of you who may not know, soft cap is a minimal amount of money that should be raised to keep developing the product, and the hard cap is the maximum amount of sold token. Okay. If King Casino will not collect $10 million during their token sale, all investors will get a refund. Speaking about the token sale stages, King Casino has successfully completed the private sale round, which concluded on 23rd of March right now. Investors are having an opportunity to take part in IEO on 2 exchanges, LA token and P2PV2B. We will start with 2 P2PB, as you can see on screen, as may see the token on price on this P2PV2B is 1 USD, and the token sale has started at the beginning of April and is about to finish with a short period of time. If you have an account on P2PV2B and want to take part in sales, you need to hurry up because the token is going to end on 20th of April. Furthermore, if you are willing to buy more than 20 KCT tokens, you will get a 50% discount, so do not miss your chance there. Accepted payments are BTC, ETH and USDT, and the minimal purchase is equivalent to 20 USD. Now we can go to LA tokens and check the token sale details on that exchange. Because they have a totally different structure, you may see the token sale is planned to run in 5 stages, from which the first one was successfully completed already. The second stage will start from 24th of April and will end on 8th of May. The tokens price will be 0.8 USDT per token will raise with every new token sale round. Okay, the peak price will be during the last token sale stage, where users will get an opportunity to buy KCT token for 1 USDT per unit. Accordingly to both token sales, right now it makes more sense to buy KCT tokens on P2PV2B exchange, because if you purchase more than 20 USD worth tokens, you will get an 50% discount. So you will already pay only 0.5 USD per token. Okay, but the token sale of P2PV is going to end soon, so if you miss that opportunity, you do not worry, you will have time to grab some KCT token on La tokens later. The conclusion is, all in all, King Casino is a blockchain based project that has a gambling license already, so not every project have achieved that. Furthermore, King Casino is offering a bright amount of services, starting from traditional games like poker and ending up with an affiliate promotion and betting on sports event. And so if you are excited about gambling and blockchain, King Casino is definitely worth looking at. So that was it for today, guys. Please do subscribe to our channel Blockchain Today, and if you have any additional questions, you can ask us in the comment section down below, and leave a like rating for our efforts. And thank you very much for your attention. I will see you in the next video by reviewing another project. Bye bye.